Hello. Welcome to the ninth module of cryptocurrency management. We are going closer to the end, and we'll be talking about starting and managing a crypto currency business. Starting and managing a cryptocurrency business, and we will be able to identify various types of cryptocurrency businesses that we have that are available. You understand step-by-step process to starting a cryptocurrency business in Nigeria. You also navigate legal registration, licensing, and also compliance requirements. You learn the technical and operational step for starting or setting up an exchange, mm, brokerage, and also consulting firm. You define and implement crypto asset management services and develop robust risk management strategy for cryptocurrency. And lastly, you build a scalable and secure operational system. Now, let's look at the types of cryptocurrency businesses. As cryptocurrencies continue to gain adoption worldwide, a variety of business opportunities have emerged, ranging from exchanges and brokerages to consulting and asset management services. However, successfully operating in the sector requires a combination of entrepreneurial skills, legal compliance, risk management, and operational excellence. And the very business type that we have includes exchanges and brokerages. And the core function is it's a platform for buying, um, selling and trading cryptos. Example of this are Binance, which is a central exchange, and we have the Uniswap, which is a decentralized exchange. We also have the payment and merchant service also as a business type, and this enables business to be able to accept crypto payments, and it includes BitPay, CoinGate, and the likes. For us, we also have the asset management as a business type, and it ensures that there is a management of portfolios, staking and yielding for clients. Example of this is crypto fund managers. And we also have the consulting and advisory as a type of business in cryptocurrency, and it functions to guide clients on strategy, compliance, and adoption. Example of this is blockchain consultants. And we have mining and staking as a business type, and this actually functions to validate transaction and earn block reward. And an example is mining pools, token providers, and the likes. We also have the NFT and digital asset platform, which creates trades and also manage unique digital assets. Yeah, and this includes the OpenSea and the Raribles. And lastly, we have the education and training. That is provision of courses and workshops on crypto, and it includes the crypto academies. Now, starting a crypto business in Nigeria, Nigeria is actually one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency markets in Africa, with high adoption rates driven by trading, remittances, and entrepreneurial innovation. And starting a cryptocurrency business in Nigeria offers significant opportunity, but it also requires navigating legal, financial, and operational challenges. And key steps include market research, which is identifying your niche, target audiences, and also competitors. Also, you need to the next step is the legal structure. You need to register your business with the Corporate Affairs Commission. The next step after that is the regulatory compliance, which is adhering to the SEC Nigerian guideline, and especially for investment products, and you need to follow CBN restrictions, that is, bank cannot facilitate crypto transactions. And lastly, you implement strict anti-money laundering and know your customer um, procedure. And another step is business model. You need to choose your specific service, whether exchange, consulting, or any of the ones that we've talked about. And also the infrastructure is another step. You need to invest in to secure tech wallet uh, and cyber security. Invest in secure tech wallets and cyber security. And lastly is marketing. You build trust and acquire clients through education and community engagement. Looking at the legal uh, registration and licensing, the legal registration and licensing. Uh, Starting a cryptocurrency business requires formal legal recognition and regulatory compliance to ensure the business operates lawfully and builds trust with clients and partners. And in Nigeria, these requirements are particularly important due to the evolving regulatory environment for digital assets. And the following are important in starting the business. The first is business registration with a CAC. You register a legal entity and provide legal identity, tax recognition, and credibility. The second is regulatory licensing. Yes, SEC Nigeria, with SEC Nigeria, you are required for exchange brokerages or firms offering tokenized investment. That is, you register as a digital asset service provider, and for the FIRS, which deals with tax, you register for tax purposes and comply with reporting. And also, the next step is ongoing compliance, which is regular audits and reporting to regulators, and also stay updated on evolving laws to avoid fines or suspension. Now, setting up a crypto exchange or brokerage. A crypto exchange or brokerage provides a platform for users to be able to buy, sell, and trade digital assets. And setting up such a business involves both technical and operational planning. To set up, you need to one, choose your model, whether it is centralized exchange, which is high liquidity, user friendly but custodial, that is hold your funds, or decentralized exchange, which is non-custodial, peer-to-peer, requires smart contract expertise. And lastly, brokerage, it is simple fiat to crypto on wrap, um, ideal for beginners. And you need to also set up the technical and operational needs. That is a secure platform in terms of order book, price feeds, and wallet integration. Also, cyber security in terms of encryption, two-factor authentication, and code storage for the majority of funds. And also, another need you need to look into is the liquidity management. That is the ensuring of enough volume for smooth trading. Another is the custodian support, that is handling of inquiries and disputes effectively and efficiently. And lastly is the compliance, which is full KYC and AML integration. Establishing a crypto consulting firm. A cryptocurrency consulting firm provides professional advisory services to individuals, business, and also institutions seeking to enter the crypto ecosystem. This business model emphasizes um, expertise, client trust, and also regulatory knowledge. And service to offer include investment advisory, regulatory compliance, corporate strategies, education, and we have the key factors include the credibility is everything. You need to build a strong personal or complaint brand. You need, another is hire experts, staff with knowledge in finance, blockchain, and also law. You need to also secure system. You need a secured system. That is, you protect clients' data and communication. And lastly, is marketing. That is, you use content marketing like blogs, webinars to be able to demonstrate expertise. Talking about the crypto asset management services, what is crypto asset management? This is actually a professional management of digital assets portfolios to be able to optimize returns and also minimize risk for clients. And key services include the portfolio diversification, active management, passive strategy in terms of long-term holding, staking, and lending for yields. You also have risk profiling in terms of tailoring strategies to client risk tolerance, and lastly is transparent reporting, which deals with regular performance updates and market insights. Compliance is actually critical. It's a must to adhere to the SEC regulations and also the AML and KYC rules to be able to build and maintain client trust. Looking at the risk management in a cryptocurrency business. Operating a cryptocurrency business involves significant financial, operational, and regulatory risk. Effective risk management strategies are essential to be able to build both the business and its clients. And types of risk in crypto business include the market risk. We're talking about high volatility in cryptocurrency price can affect trading, investment, and revenue. Operational risk in terms of system failure, cyber attacks, and human error, which can disrupt services or lead to financial losses. You also have the regulatory risk, which deals with the non-compliance with evolving cryptocurrency laws, can result in fines, license revocation, or legal actions. There is also the liquidity risk in terms of insufficient funds to be able to meet clients' withdrawals or execute trades may disrupt operation. And lastly is the reputational risk. Negative publicity actually and fraud or security breaches can damage credibility and client trust. And a way to mitigate this risk includes implementing of strong security measures, diversifying revenue streams, regulatory compliance, financial planning, that is maintaining reserves to cover operational costs and market fluctuations. And lastly is the operational control, which is regular audit, monitoring system, and also contingency planning to be able to detect and manage risk promptly. Looking at building operational system, operational system are the foundation of a well-functional cryptocurrency business, ensuring smooth processes, security, and efficiency in daily business activities. And this system encompasses a technology, protocol, and procedure that ensures a crypto business um, to execute, that enables a crypto business to be able to execute transactions, manage client relationships, and also protect assets and maintain regulatory compliance. And a robust system are the backbone of any successful crypto business. The core components of operational system include trading platform and wallet um, management, which includes it provides reliable platform for order execution, and it secures um, integration of hot wallet and cold storage. Another component is the client management system, which deals with um, that which provides a database for storing KCY documents, KYC rather documents, and transaction history and also communications, and it streamlines onboarding and client services. Also have the payment and settlement system, and this provides processes for deposit, withdrawals, and internal transfer, and it must integrate with banking partners and blockchain network efficiently. We have the security data and protection, which is non-negotiable, and there is need for multi-layered uh, security like the two-factor authentication, encryption, and biometrics. This provides code storage. There is need to provide code storage for vast majority of client funds, and there is also need to um, for regular security audit and penetration testing, and also compliance with data privacy law. We also have the uh, automation for efficiency, and this deals with you need to automate repetitive tasks. That is, you report report generation, transaction monitoring, and also the KYC verification. And this reduces human error and frees up staff from high value works. Also, we have the staff training and workflow, which you need to ensure comprehensive training on system, security, and compliance. And these are clear standard operating procedures for consistency and accountability. So building robust operational system allows a cryptocurrency business to be able to function and effectively maintaining client trust. In conclusion, you've been provided with a comprehensive blueprint for starting and managing a complaint secure and sustainable cryptocurrency business. And you need to understand this. You need to choose your model wisely and understand that legal is first, compliance is a foundation, security is paramount. You need to build, there is need for building for scale, and there is need for trust, which is your currency. I'll leave you on this final note. A successful crypto business is built on a tripod of compliance, security, and trust. Master this, and you can thrive in this dynamic industry. Thank you.